let's start with activity number 1. Activity 1 is called carbon footprint. So here we have the base. In the base you can see school, a home and 3 different lanes. This is the metro lane. These 2 are the roads. Here we can also see different means of transport. We have the metro, we have the car, we have cycle and we have the bus. So now let's start with the activity. So let's take the base and select any 3 means of transport. For this example, let's take the metro, the car and the bus. Let's start by inserting the car through the road. Next, let's take the bus. Next, let's take the metro. So now let's take different modes of transport from the school to the home. Let's start off with the bus. First, let's bring it to the blue line that's on the base. So slowly, let's bring it to the blue line and stop. So now we can see the bus can take 24 people. Now let's see what happens with the car. Now let's get the car to the blue line. Stop. Now we can see the car can take 4 people and produces 5 black clouds. Now let's use the metro rail. Let's bring it to the blue line. Oh wow! See, one compartment now can take 50 people. Now let's take the bus further ahead to the green line. Okay, it's moving. And stop. Again, you can see that the bus takes 24 people and produces 12 black clouds. Now let's take the cars ahead. Okay, and stop. Now we can see there are a total of 3 cars on the road and each car takes 4 people and each car is producing 5 black clouds. So in total, almost 2 cars take 1 space of a bus and can carry 8 people while a bus can carry 24 people. The car produces 10 black clouds and the bus is producing 12 black clouds. Now let's see what happens with the metro. Let's move it to the green line. The metro is quite long and it's taking right now 100 people when we come to the green line. All the vehicles are almost going to reach home, but let's see what happens on the orange line. Let's move the bus first and stop. Now let's move all the cars and we're almost going to reach and stop. Now you can see here on the road there are a total of 4 cars and each car is carrying 4 people. Now let's see what happens to the metro. Let's move it slowly to the orange line and stop. Now that we have almost reached home, let's see what's happening here. The bus in total can carry 24 people and produces 12 black clouds. In the lane of the car, there are total 4 cars which carry 4 people each, which in total is 12 people and produce 5 black clouds each. So that's a total of 20 black clouds. So the bus is producing 12 black clouds while the cars are producing 20 black clouds. On the other hand, in the metro rail, each compartment can carry 50 people. So it's carrying a roughly of 200 people and produces just 1 black cloud. Okay, now let's fill the observation questions in the workbook given to us. Let's take all these vehicles behind. Let's start off by filling what happens at the blue line. So let's pull the car ahead. Okay, so the number of people the vehicle can take, that's the car, is 4. Okay, next let's try for the bus. The number of people the bus can take is 24. Next, let's try with the metro. The number of people the metro can currently take is 50. Now, at the green line, let's try to compare how many clouds of smoke each vehicle makes. Okay, let's move the car to the green line. So each vehicle is taking 5 black clouds. That is for the car. For the bus, it is 12 black clouds. And for the metro, we still don't know yet, but we'll find it out. Now let's take all these vehicles to the red line. So total amount of black clouds that it's producing is 12. The total number of black clouds the cars are producing in this lane is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is 20. And the total number of black clouds the metro is producing is just 1. Okay, now let's see what's happening. A car makes 5 clouds of smoke and carry 4 people. But the bus makes 12 clouds of smoke and carry 24 people. Which means of transport do you feel is better? The bus, even though makes more black clouds than the car, but carries more number of people. So a bus is a better option while traveling from school to home. Now that we have compared 3 means of transport, let's try to compare some of these with other ones like the cycle and the bike. Try them out and fill the table given below.